1 in 3 adults don't get enough sleep. But did you know what you choose to eat for dinner or that late-night snack attack can either help or halt the process of how you hit the hay? Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you what to eat to help you sleep tight and not let the bed bugs bite. Cherry-Almond Farro Salad. Starting with a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rinsed farro, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring this to a boil over high heat, then reduce heat to a gentle simmer, cover, and cook until the farro is tender, about 20 to 30 minutes. Then, drain any remaining liquid and fluff the mixture with a fork. Spread the farro out on a large rimmed baking sheet to cool for about 10 minutes. Farro is an ancient whole grain with double the protein and fiber of rice. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, whisk together a 1/4 cup of white balsamic vinegar, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add to the bowl 2 cups of halved sweet cherries, a 1/2 cup of feta cheese, a 1/4 cup of slivered toasted almonds, 3 tablespoons of diced red onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped mint, and the farro. I recommend enjoying this with a lean protein, such as grilled salmon fillets or skinless chicken breasts. Sugar-filled treats before bed may make it more difficult to fall asleep. In this meal, the cherries, almonds, and fatty fish like salmon all contain nutrients and vitamins that can aid the body in getting better sleep. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.